Do planks for 30 days. This will happen to your body. Have you ever tried doing planks at home? If yes, how long can you hold a plank? Write your answer in the comment section. Whether you are a beginner or a pro, you must know the benefits of doing planks in the fitness world. However, only 30 days of planks can completely transform your body. Planks are the most effective way to build muscle and strengthen your core. Effectively working out your core can improve stability, reduce injury, and maintain mobility. If you're continuously doing crunches and sit-ups at the gym with the hopes of achieving a sexy six-pack, you may be exercising in vain. So, what should you do instead? Try planks. A great alternative to crunches, planks can help improve core strength and stability. These are the 7 main benefits you will get if you will add planks to your daily exercise. Benefit number 1. Improves core strength. Planks are ideal for the abdominal muscles because they engage all major core muscle groups, including the transverse abdominus, the rectus abdominus, the external obliques, and the glutes. So, try this number 1 exercise to build your core strength at home. Number 2. Decrease risk of back injury. Planks allow you to build muscle while also ensuring that you are not putting too much pressure on your spine or hips. In addition, planks can strengthen your back muscles and ensure more support and stability for your entire back, especially in areas around your upper back. Number 3. Boosts metabolism. Planking is an excellent way of challenging your entire body because doing them every day will burn more calories than other traditional abdominal exercises, such as crunches or sit-ups. In addition, the core muscles you strengthen by doing the exercise on a day-to-day basis will ensure you burn more energy, even when sedentary, because they are some of the largest muscles in the body. This is especially important if you spend the majority of your day sitting in front of a computer. Also, making it a daily home exercise before or after work will provide an enhanced metabolic rate. Still, it will also ensure that your metabolism remains high all day long. Number 4. Improves posture. Planks have a significant impact and improvement on your posture. A strong posture brings with it a vast number of fantastic benefits. It keeps your bones and joints in the correct alignment, which means both your bones and joints will be better maintained. But it also means the overall effectiveness of your muscles will be improved. Number 5. Improves balance. Have you ever felt that when you're standing on one leg, you can't stand up straight for more than a couple of seconds? It's not because you are just clumsy, but rather because your abdominal muscles aren't strong enough to give you the balance you need. Many people assume that balance is mainly based on the legs, but most of the work is happening in your core to keep you stable and upright. By improving your balance by doing side planks and planks with extensions, you will boost your balance and performance in every kind of fitness activity. Number 6. More flexibility. Flexibility is a crucial benefit of doing planks regularly, as this form of exercise expands and stretches all your posterior muscle groups, shoulders, shoulder blades, and collarbone, while also stretching your hamstrings, the arches of your feet, and the toes. Number 7. Improves mood. Plank exercises have a particular effect on our nerves, making them an excellent means of improving overall mood. This works because they stretch out muscle groups that contribute to stress and tension in the body. There are various types of planks. I will show you how to perform a perfect standard plank. 1. Get into a push-up position on the floor. 2. Bend your elbows 90 degrees and rest your weight on your forearms for a forearm plank position. 3. Keep your torso straight and rigid, and form a straight line from head to toe with no sagging or bending. 4. Your head is relaxed, and you should be looking at the floor. 5. Hold the position for as long as you can. 6. Remember to breathe by inhaling slowly and steadily. 7. When your form begins to suffer, pull the plug. You're only benefiting from planks when your condition is good. How many planks you should do every day? If you are a beginner and can only do 1 plank a day, start with that. Aim to hold it for at least 60 seconds, but if you need to start with less, then do so, and build up from there. Doug Sklar, a certified personal trainer, recommends striving to do 3 sets of up to 60 seconds, so this can be the goal you aim for when you begin your plank adventure. Conclusion. Planks are a simple and power-packed total body exercise that can help you build strength in your lower and upper body, engage your core, and stabilize your joints. Even doing 1 minute of planks a day can achieve excellent results over time, so get started today. If you like our video, press the like button and hit subscribe button. Check out our other videos on how to lose fat and get six-pack abs. See you in our next video.